Hey guys, it's John from Columbus, Ohio. Today we're going to be installing a hitch on a Hyundai Tucson. Putting a hitch on your Hyundai Tucson can take you to some fun places, like camping, boating, bike riding. You can also tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. If you guys are ready, let's break this down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Okay, so our first step is to prep our underbody for installation. The instructions tell us to remove a tow hook on the driver's side, but in this case we don't have one. So we're going to go to our next step. Next, the instructions tell us to lower our exhaust, but in this case we've determined that we don't have to. So we're going to go ahead and put our hitch into place. As I'm raising the hitch up, I'm aligning the holes in the hitch with the weld nuts in the frame. So the hitch comes with 6 bolts and 6 conical tooth washers. We install 3 of each on each side. You just want to make sure that the conical tooth washer, the teeth, are flat against the hitch. So we're going to go ahead and let our hitch rest on our passenger side on the exhaust tailpipe while I put one of our bolts in loosely on the driver's side to hold it in place. So with our retaining bolt on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and install our hardware on the passenger side. The attachment points are identical on the passenger side. So we're back here on the driver's side, and we're just going to repeat what we did on the passenger side by putting the remaining bolts in. So now that all of our bolts are in place, we're going to go ahead and torque them down. I'm using a torque wrench with a 5-inch extension and a 17mm socket. So now we're done with our hitch installation. We've pulled our vehicle on level ground to get you some important measurements for the length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. So the length from our pinhole to the edge of our bumper fascia is 5.5 inches. This is a 2-inch receiver. And the height from the ground to the top of the receiver is 12 inches. Okay guys, that wraps up our installation. Once again, my name is John. Have fun, be safe. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.